country of Ghana, who is a member of the Assembly of God. And I want to welcome him to this platform at this time, His Excellency, John Dramani Mahama. And I'm going to ask President Mahama to come and to give greetings to us, to stand and acknowledge on him and appreciate him. Our heartfelt gratitude to you for coming. Please, greet these delegates.